Now, origin of virus can be understood by three different ways that has been visualized and deciphered by three virus early hypothesis, regression hypothesis, and escape gene hypothesis. So as you can see here, at the beginning, during the origin of the universe and afterwards the origin of the biomolecules, there were a pool of replicons. So those were capable to perform auto-replication. So in the pre-cellular stage, before the origin of cell, there were lot many replicable biological entity, and they get covered with some jacket or coat. Now they behave like a virus-like entities. So this is the virus early hypothesis. It says ki virus and those virus-like particles were pre-existing before the origin of a protocell. Protocell means it is the primordial structure of a cell. Now in during the course of time, they increase in the complexity and they moved inside a protocell, and later it appeared in the normal cell as a host. Next says regression hypothesis. So as you can see here, they were pre-existing and they get regressed, and in protocell 2 they get just jumped out from the cell, and they moved inside the another pre-existing or post-existing cellular entity. So it is a kind of a reverse evolution and reductive evolution, that they lose their independence, or somehow lose the capability for the protein making machinery or translation and obligate parasitism. So they completely turn into independent to the dependent mode. So this is a kind of a regression process. Another is the escape gene hypothesis. It is believed by many scientists, and in Albert also it is written key in a bacteria the plasmid can be moved out from the cell and it can create a virus. And escape gene means like you have a modern cell and some part of your gene get escaped, and autonomous replication of those selfish cellular gene undergone. So they have hijacked, or they have created their own compartment, isolated genetic pool, and they want to create a new system through that they can work in an independent way and can survive outside of the host as a the particle. This is how three different mode of a virus, the viral origin is understood. So thank you for watching.